thank you for her servant leadership. In Jesus' name we pray. And it is
Amen.
so. Yeah, and amen. Have a great
All
time.
right,
I'm
let's
gonna
go
be,
for it.
yes, ma'am.
All
Hold on,
righty.
start the live stream.
Hi, you guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. My name is Ashley, and I want to thank you guys for being here and taking the time out your day because you could have been anywhere, but you decided to be on here receiving this information. So I definitely want to thank you very much for being here. So I'm not going to hold you up. We're going to go ahead and just get started. Um, so why I said yes. Okay, so when this opportunity was presented to me, I was going through one of the most rough times of my life, you guys. I mean, I was going through a bad breakup. I didn't have a job. I didn't have no money. So I honestly didn't know what I was going to do, right? I didn't know how I was going to get by or make it out of the position that I was in. And somebody happened to bring me to one of these webinars like you guys are on, and I listened and I seen this information. And when I got off, God told me, He said, "This is going to change your life." Right? And so I said yes because God told me that this was going to change my life. And change my life, it did, you guys. When I say I gained a family, I gained a community. Not only that, I met my husband and got married. So, guys, this was a blessing for me. God did not steer me in the wrong direction. So let's go ahead and get started. The reality, right? The reality is millions of people struggle financially. One in three consumers have a score lower than 669, right? So that means if you got a household of three, um, one of you guys have a score lower than 669, right? And the average credit score is underserved are in underserved communities is 45 points less than other demographics, right? 50% of businesses fail within their first 5 years due to mainly to the lack of access to capital. So what that means is if you and your best friend open a business, one of y'all business are going to fail. That's basically what statistics are saying, right? But what we're trying to do is change that statistics. 2.5 million people seek debt counseling each year to avoid bankruptcy. Only 39% of Americans have the cash to pay for $1,000 emergency without having to borrow money. And that's scary because that's basically saying 61% of Americans do not have $1,000 in a bank account. That means if their car break down, they don't have any extra money to pay that water bill that may be higher than usual. That's really scary, right? The AI shift is here, you guys, and millions of jobs are going to be eliminated. They're basically saying AI could wipe out half of all entry level white collar jobs and spike unemployment to 10 to 20% in the next 1 to 5 years. Okay, and so guys, I know this to be true because I'm in school to be an engineer, right? And so what I learned is when I was coming out, when I graduate, when I thought I was gonna make $200,000, that's not necessarily the case now because AI is taking those entry level jobs. So the job I thought I may was going to get after school, I'm fine with AI now, right? So there's a potential AI may take my job. What happens when the paycheck stops, you guys? What is your backup plan? What are you going to do, right? What if you didn't have to worry? The solution, right? So we offer several solutions. The first one is the credit and money company. Fintech company provides greater access to credit, capital, entrepreneurship, four pillars, one ecosystem, need literacy, services, opportunity, and life change. We offer credit building, access to capital, debt help, and entrepreneurship. Y'all, this is our amazing founder and president and CEO, Mr. McCambry, right? His success, I want to just name a couple of things that he has done. And so you know that we're being led by someone great, right? So let's take a look. He was the best-selling author of The Plan, The Fatherless Father, and Fintech in the Future. He had a 4.0 GPA in one of the nation's top MBA programs, right? He was selected to the Marquis Who's Who in America Business and Finance in 2021. National Small Business Association Leadership Council member and honored with his own day in his hometown in 2021. You guys, and I could go on and on and on about how amazing our CEO is, right? But you can also look up these things. So, solution number one, credit help, right? So, we offer something called My Novae Disputes. It disputes self-generated by AI technology. It's an easy to use point and click software, and all you have to do is mail your own disputes, and you save money, right? We also offer credit therapy, right? Um, all right, so I'm sorry, I done went too fast on you guys. Give me 1 second to go back. All right, and so with our Novae, my Novae disputes, right? It's a one time for 199 and a monthly charge of 99. But just imagine 199 to fix your credit, right? To get that credit resolved, get that car that you want, that house that you want, right? And so again, we offer something called credit therapy, right? It's an audit based approver engineer and it's disputes. You can disputes mailed for you and save time, which means we're doing the work, right? All you have to do is sit back and trust the process, right? So that is 239 with a monthly fee of 999, right? And so then we have um Lendova, right? Powered by Novae, right? It separates your business from your personal credit, which you should be doing anyway if you are a business owner, right? It's powered by Lendova AI Business Credit Suite. Business credit advisors walk you through each step. One full year of My Novae Dispute Managers structures your business for lender readiness, right? So all three include free credit monitoring plus online budgeting tools, monthly full three bureaus, three credit score reports, utilization manager, an identity theft protection, privacy scanner, and 1 million fraud insurance, right? Um, our next solution, we have debt help, right? And so how many of you have debt, right? And need and don't want to file bankruptcy, right? Well, we have a solution for you right here. And so with my Novae debt help, all you have to do to qualify is a minimum unsecured debt of 10,000, work towards one consolidation monthly payment. Enroll account Enrolled accounts may need to be closed. Program cost eligibility and results vary before you file bankruptcy, right? And so then we also offer it for our business side. So we have business debt help. You guys, I can't speak. I'm getting so tongue tied today. Excuse me, okay? All right, and so with that one to qualify, you just need a minimal debt of 15,000, short-term debt converted into longer-term monthly payments. Get back to focusing on the business, right? So these are things that you can do while you're in this program. Our solution three, access to capital, right? And so we offer personal loans, business funding, and we offer Novae finances, right? And so with the personal loan, you can get an unsecured term loans to 12 years, right? Debt consolidation and refinancing for our business funding. You know, we just talked about the Lendova AI Business Credit Suite that you can get. It also has the SBA terms and commercial real estate, right? And so with our Novae financing, the new way to get finance is add in house financing to your business. Finance from up to 500 to 250,000. Do you understand what that means? You can finance up to 250,000. Who wouldn't want that, right? Soft pull doesn't hurt your client score. Offer financing at checkout point, and we also offer government grants, right? Award-winning grant search engine. We offer tax credit. We offer many of things that can assist you, right? So we do have solution number 4 here, entrepreneurship. How many of you guys want to be entrepreneurs, right? How many of you guys are entrepreneurs, right? And so with us, you can establish a free business registration, business coaching, operating agreement, 1 year free domain, a DIY website building, and an online store, right? You get support, right? You get Novae tax, live support, 24 business hours, right? A Novae payment, tap to pay, and more, right? That's amazing. You would get a tap to pay for your business, right? Most people don't even have that. Website and logo brandings, right? Life insurance, credit to cash entrepreneurship, and so much more, right? The reason to join us, our Novae affiliate program, we offer the Affiliate Pro program, right? Novae tax software, Fintech mentorship. We even have a Novae church program, right? Who you know doing that, right? Who you know got church programs, right? So we here to help everyone, right? So it's time to level up, right? And so what is it? It's basically free financial literacy on your time, right? Gamified, engage in design, short video lessons. You level up as you learn, right? You're still a student, right? As you're learning. The 5 levels. Number 1, foundation, know your money, right? 2, budgeting, investing, wealth building, financial freedom, right? Who don't want financial freedom? I know I do, right? I want to be financially free. Okay? Then we have 3 free tools, right? We have financial needs analysis, right? Level up literacy courses, a 5-day credit masterclass, all free for the public. All right. Let me say that again. All free for the public, right? Especially a 5-day credit masterclass. Nobody's doing that, you guys. Come on now. All right, let's talk about testimonies, right? Real people, real results, right? All you have to do is just Google us, right? Novae Money Reviews. And as you can see, you see that A rating, right? So all you got to do is go look us up. The proof is in the pudding. If you don't believe me, all you have to do is just check for yourself. Let's talk about our affiliate market, a new era of entrepreneurship, right? Companies like Amazon, Walmart, Best Buy, they pay millions per year in commission, right? Instead of earning a few cents to a few dollars per sales, Novae will pay you up to thousands of dollars per referral, right? Let me say that again. Thousands of dollars per referral. Do you know at least 5 people that could benefit from any of these services? And I'm sure you do, right? You think about, you might got 5 people in your house, 5 coworkers, right? 5 family members, 5 friends, right? We all know 5 people. I know I do. Earn money by referring people to a website. It's that simple. Just think about it. We already do that. We refer people to Fashion Nova, Sheen, Amazon all the time, right? So why not earn money by referring people, right, to something that can help them? Set your own hours and work from anywhere. And when I say you can work from anywhere, you guys, we just got back from Miami and we were working. Okay, we was having a time of our life on a yacht, big yacht. Okay, a nice our annual yacht party, and baby, we were still out there working. And it's 10 ways to get paid. Now, just think about it. When you work a 9 to 5, you only getting paid one way, right? But with us, you can get paid 10 ways, right? So start as an affiliate and become a consultant. All right, so let's just do a breakdown, right? Fintech consultant weekly retail commission. Just think about it. If you refer five credit customers, that's $100, $100, $100, $100, $100, right? That's $500 just for five credit customers, right? Who wouldn't want $500? That's a car payment, right? Because we know right now car payments are 500 plus, unless you had that car since before COVID, right? But now car notes are high, right? So five customers could get you $500, right? So let's talk about retail commission, right? It's multiple ways to make commission. You can make 1250 up to per fintech mentorship, $500 per Lendova referral, right? $20,000 up to a 4% loan. For example, they get 500,000 in funding. You can get up to $20,000. Who won't want that, right? Starting funding minimum, 1,000 per approval. Okay, we're talking about recurring customers commissions, $100 up front, $30 per month. And that $30 add up, right? When you think about that, that's 36. Um, I almost did the math. When you think about 12 months, right? You're thinking about $360 a year, and that extra $360 can come in handy, right? We're talking five customers up front, $500 in commission, $500 in commission, and your monthly commission 150. We're talking 10 customers, $1,000 up front, $300 in your monthly commission. Let's go all the way down to 100 customers. We're talking 10,000 up front, right? With 3,000 a month in a monthly commission. Baby, the look at the numbers, right? 10,000 up front. Baby, that's money right there. Okay. Now let's talk about the fast startup bonus, right? I'm gonna just go through this real quickly. Five affiliate pros plus five credit customers for your first 5 days equals an extra $500. Let me say that again. Five affiliate pros plus five credit customers for your first 30 days, right? That's an extra $500. Who would want that, right? So let's go to the Novae app in our marketing system, right? So let's talk about the app, right? It's a complete prospecting system on your phone. New back office at office.novae.money, right? We got 5 and free status on your dashboard. Um, and there's so many more things that you can do with this app, right? Let the adventure begin, right? You can get network and train with 6 and 7 figure earners, bilingual events, learn tab courses, certificates, and progress, right? We have leaderboard competition, monthly cash prizes for likes and comments, quarterly online training with cash prize, right? Live customer service and support, and learn as you earn, right? And so to get started, you guys, you can start as an affiliate basic on the affiliate basic plan, right? That's $199 to get started and $49 a month, you guys. But let's talk about the real one, right? Let's go to the what you should be getting. I'm just keep it honestly because I started on the affiliate basic, you guys, and then I upgraded to the affiliate pro because I was serious and I wanted the extra value that comes with it, right? So with the affiliate pro, it starts at $349 and $990, $99 a month. But don't worry about that $99 because remember, you guys, we talked about that getting them five customers or two customers, five or three affiliates, 5 and free, right? Five get you free. So don't worry about that $99. But what comes with it is all the basic benefit plus, right? Pay attention to that plus. My Novae credit monitoring and my Novae disputes manager, right? So if you was gonna work on your credit or get your credit fixed anyway, right? Why not make money doing it, right? Payouts up to $12.50 per sale by product, $150 to $600 per qualified affiliate, and referral overrides for you guys. What I was talking about, that 5 and free, waive your monthly fee, you guys. So don't worry about that 99 because what we're doing is we're going to help you get them 5 and free. And it's a tax deduction, right? Not only that, we have something called Novae Cares. We're supporting families. Sorry, you guys, I went too fast. We're supporting families in schools and undeserved communities and making a decision, right? There's three types of people, you guys, but what I want you to do is um if you're a one and you're ready to get started, you right, I want you to go ahead and click that link, right? And if you're number two, I'm interested, but you have some questions, go ahead and get back to the person that sent you the link and got you over here, right? And then three, I'm not interested, right? So if you're not interested, what we ask is share the information, get with the person that got you on this presentation, and just share because you might not need it, but there's somebody that do. Okay, so guys, again, I just want to thank you for coming. Text 1, 2, or 3 to your inviter now and just let them know, you guys. But again, my name is Ashley. I definitely want to thank you for coming and taking the time to join this presentation, you guys. You guys have an amazing day.